finished my thumbnail, but I wasn't able to finish I'm editing the other one, but it's okay. I will have a video up tonight. Good morning! We will go to the city. My hair is still wet. I was in a hurry when I was in the shower. I think I took my shower around 10:45. I was like, dang, he'll be home 11:15. That was a quick one. And then I made your lunch. You're welcome. We will go get coffee, and then he will leave me in the city. Bye, babe. Oh, I forgot to put on highlight today. Then he will pick me up around 3:30?
Yeah, around for an hour.
Okay, I'm wearing the jacket again from Fashion Mia. And then this jacket or jumper inside is, I forgot where I got this from, but yeah, it's just the maroon one, or like the deep red one. Just black pants and combat boots. We found a parking spot. Kailangan namin magbayad dito. So let's go pay. Do you have it? Okay. Tickets. So it is $2 flat fee. Pasok ako sa sports, girl. Ako na lang mag-isa. You guys, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako napunta dito. Pero nandito ako sa isa siyang parang warehouse na maraming mga home stuff. Like mga quilts and stuff. May nakita ko mirror. Sobrang ganda kasi pwede mong lagyan ng jewelry. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look at this, you guys. This is so cute. And perfect. 169. I like na may lights siya. Baka makahanap ako ng table dito. We'll see. Ang cute naman na to. Look at this. Ang cute ng hammer. Tapos ito din. Tignan nyo. And then this. Ang cute na. Maganda dito, you guys. Maraming mga pang like arts and crafts and ish like that. And then yeah, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako napunta dito. Nagsumakay lang naman ako ng escalator. Tapos yeah, so balik na ako. Wala silang mga table ganun. So baba na ako. Kung mahanap ko yung escalator pababa. There you go. See, look at this. Diyan ako galing doon. Tapos pag akyat ko, sobrang liit na ng escalator. Yun pala, the whole floor sa taas. Yun lang. So yun. Meron ako hinahanap na shop dito kasi si Dan, malapit na yung kaarawan niya, char. O diba, walang mas Tagalog sa kaarawan. Kasi nanonood yun ng vlog ko. And pag nalaman niya, diba, kasi diba, surpresa nga, char. Hanapin ko lang yung shop. Dito ako sa Kmart. Ako lang mag-isa. Nasanay ako na kapag nandito si Kat. Pero yan, nandito ako sa parang mga ganyan. Hanap ako ng madedesign ko sa aking theme. Charot. Meron talaga akong theme ano. Ito yung nasa video ni Britney Lee Saunders. Ito yung background niya. Sure ako dyan because I watch her all the time. That's it. Ang ganda nito, oh. Same to nung hat ko, pero iba yung color. Mas maganda itong color nito. Hindi nga lang siya $1, $3. And ito yung size ko, 7 to 10 years old ito. Nice. Nandito ako sa Reject Shop. Tapos meron akong sobrang nagustuhan. Wait, saan ba yan? I mean, hindi ko naman siya as in sobrang gusto. Kasi ayoko ng mga cats. Pero I really like the color. Parang it will go with my theme. Charot, meron talaga akong theme. Ganun. This one, gusto ko din siya. Meron siyang 3. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. So, meron siya nito, penguin. I'm not sure about this. It's only $9 from $25. Nihintay ko na si Dan. Ito yung nabili ko, yung pineapple, hindi yung cat. Kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga cats. Pero hinintay ko na siya. I'm home! We're home actually. Nasa labas lang si Dan. May tawag. Nakabili ako ng pabango. Char. Sobrang Tagalog ako. Pabango. So yeah. Gusto ko sana bilhin yung gusto niya na damit na hindi namin mahanap sa ibang shops kasi wala yung size niya. And yan, nahanap ko siya doon. Pero wala din yung size niya. Nakakainis. Yun pa naman yung gustong-gusto niya kasi paborito niya yung color. So bumili ako ng pabango. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa bibilhin ko kasi I'm thinking of doing like 5 araw before ng kaarawan niya. Gagawin ko like, you know, meron akong regalo. Ang hirap itagalog. Meron akong regalo araw-araw before, basta 5 days before ng kaarawan niya, gusto ko meron akong gift araw-araw. Tapos, yeah, hindi ko alam. Meron na akong isa, yun nga, yung pabango. Yung inisip ko sana yung isa is yung damit, yung pang-work na damit. Kaya lang wala. Ano bang magandang i-regalo? Let me know below kasi nawawala na ako ng idea. And actually, sobrang bango ng pabango na binili ko sa kanya. And yeah, I'm excited. Papalit lang ako a different jacket kasi manonood kami ng football today. So, isusuot ko yung black na parang waterproof something kasi just in case umulan. Ito yung nabili ko. Yeah, nice. Wait, makikita niyo ba kung gano'ng kalaki? There. We will go watch footy. Sobrang aga namin. The footy will start, I think, 7. I have my gloves because it's gonna be really freaking cold. And I have my jacket, beanie, and then black pants, and then booties. Yes! Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be really cold tonight. I hope it doesn't rain. Babe, poncho?
I don't reckon you're not gonna need it, babe.
Are you sure? Can we just bring it just in case? I'll put it in my bag. Poncho is parang raincoat, pero not really. So, yes. Sorry? No? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Got home. Natalo na naman yung team namin, but that's okay. I have on my face this Oritom. Meron siyang pearl dito, pero natanggal yung ano. But yeah, it says pearl. I'm really not sure what's supposed to do sa face mo, but... And I have this. It's a like hand warmer. Sobrang cool. Ano lang siya? Medyo mainit siya. So, binigay to ng best friend ng mama niya kanina. Sumama siya sa football kanina. Noon kami ng footy. And yeah, binigay niya sa akin kasi sobrang lamig kanina. Ilalagay mo lang siya sa gloves mo. Or kahit na wala kang gloves. Kasi, ano siya, hindi naman as in sobrang init. Pero like, you know, it keeps your hands warm. So, that's it. I'm gonna edit a video. Can I borrow your computer?
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna edit the video. And that's basically it. It's already 11... Almost 11:30 now. Kasi natapos yung footy, siguro mga 10:30. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys! Suot-suot ko yung bathrobe na binigay ni Kati. Kati maganda. Thank you, Kat. I'm having my coffee here. And then, biscuits. Arnott's buttercream frosting biscuit. Not frosting, buttercream lang. Sobrang lamig, you guys. I woke up like this. Buti na lang, hindi ako nag-prepare ng lunch. Hindi ako nag-prepare ng wraps today kasi si Dan yung lunch niya, yung salmon. So, yun yung dinala niya. So, yeah, okay lang yung morning ko. All I had to do is prepare coffee for him and that's it. Mag-upload ako ng video. I-upload ko yung ColourPop review and then I'm going to edit a vlog. That's the ganap today. I'm so tired. Akala ko kagabi hindi ako makakatulog kasi I had coffee nung nanood kami ng football and diba it was a night game and usually kapag umiinom ako ng kape ng gabi na, hindi ako nakakatulog talaga. Like, it happened twice already before. And nung una, natulog ako almost 5 na ng umaga. And then, nung second time na nangyari yun, natulog ako mga 3 ng umaga. So, kagabi, I thought hindi ako makakatulog. Pero sobrang pagod ko. Nakatulog ako ng bonggang-bongga. Siguro natulog kami almost 1 na. Kasi diba dumating kami dito mga 11:30. And then, I needed to edit a video. And, yeah, yun yung ganap kagabi. Pero yeah, I'm happy na nakatulog ako. Ito yung binigay ng best friend ng mama niya. Sobrang sweet, diba? Magkatabi kasi kami sa football kagabi. Dito merong iron, tapos merong activated charcoal ata, I think, something. Basta, parang natural heater siya. Like, ma-expose lang siya sa air. Mag-heat up na siya, which is so cool. Kahapon, hinubad ko yung gloves ko kasi pinaglaruan ko siya kasi ang cool lang. And yeah, hindi na siya mainit kasi parang 10 hours lang ata yung heat niya. Tapos binigyan pa niya ako ng isang packet na mayroong 2 warmers. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys mamaya if I remember. Edit ko muna yung video. Ayoko nang tumayo. I'm too lazy. Look at this, you guys. I'm trying to upload a video and walang scheduled. And that's what I do all the time. Isa-schedule ko siya. Merong public, unlisted, private. Nasa na yung schedule. Ang nangyari pala is, hindi ko pala account ito eh. Account pala to na Mr. Bear. Kasi ginamit niya yung computer ko kagabi. Oh my gosh! Natakot naman ako doon. Look at this! Ha! Nice, diba? Naka-receive ako ng package today from GearBest and isa to sa mga nandun. Tinry ko lang siya. And nagluto din ako ng turon, yung banana turon. Pero hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo kasi nasunog siya. Naiwanan ko siya kasi inopen ko yung package ko. Yung other side lang naman yung turo, yung sunog. Kasi nakita ko eh, nabantayan ko. Pero yeah, hindi ko ipapakita yung other side kasi i-judge nyo yung aking turon. Alam nyo naman kayo. Anyway, I'll go eat because I'm starving. Kumain ako kanina, pasta lang. Tapos, ito yung snack ko. Ooh, you can smell it. The turon. Hello. Look at my necklace.
It's Gothic.
Gothic, yeah.
It's Gothic.
They call it choker. What do you have for me? Warheads?
You can have one.
Warheads. We've been looking for this for I don't know how long now, but yeah, extreme sour candy. Ah, lipstick.
The sourness goes in a sec. These are no good, babe. You're already a little bit.
They're fine. I still ate 2. Ah, it's gone. So it's a good candy now. Lolly. So I got cola bottles, pods, and Pop-Tarts. Do you like Pop-Tarts? I don't. I'm cooking my adobo while watching Jeffree Star. Ito yung sinwatch na yung Colourpop Metallics at saka yung Kylie. It's done, you guys. I think it's good. I tasted it and I like it. So, kakain na kami. I have rice here. Luto na siya. And yeah. I'm so proud of myself. Yes, first time ko to. Yeah. Hello. I have this on my face right now. My gosh, my battery is dying. I really need to get a new battery. My goodness. Dinner was good. Did you like the dinner? Great. He rated it 8 out of 10.
That's good. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. It's good. I like it. He still likes the mushroom pork chop better. He rated that 9 out of 10. So that one is so easy as well. So if you guys haven't cooked that or try that, oh my gosh, my battery's dying. So I'm just gonna say good night because I need to close the vlog now. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. I say bye. No. Bye guys.